5 Latin terms that will make you sound like a top law student. Your lecturer's next question might surprise you, but these 5 Latin terms will save you. Hold up. Laws are not just for lawyers, they are for everyone. Now, here's what proves it. Number 1, Salus Populi Suprema Lex Est, meaning the welfare of the people is the supreme law. Number 2, Pacta sunt servanda, meaning agreement must be kept. Number 3, Consensus ad idem, meaning meeting of the mind or agreement of the mind. Number 4, Delegatus non potes delegare, meaning a delegate cannot sub-delegate or further delegate. Number 5, Fiat justitia ruit caelum, meaning let justice be done though the heavens fall. Comment your favorite one, and yes, exam love this. Like this video, subscribe and share with your colleagues.